अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, क्या हाल चाल है। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो चलें गाइस, मैं आज आपको जो है ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अर्निंग करने के ना कुछ वेज बताता हूँ जिस पे आप जो है ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया पे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। चलें, सबसे पहले आपको क्रोम पे जाना है। यहाँ पे लिखना होगा हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑस्ट्रेलिया। यहाँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया पे आने के बाद ये देखें, यहाँ पे 25 वेज टू बूस्ट योर इनकम लिखी हुई है। यहाँ पे आपने क्लिक करना है। तो जी यहाँ से जो है ना हमारा स्टार्ट होता है कि जी आप किस तरह जो है आप जो है ना अपनी अर्निंग बूस्ट कर सकते हो। यहाँ जो है ना आपको थोड़ा बहुत जो है ना मैं वैसे ही ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ इसका। ये है इसकी 25 वेज। ये आप पढ़ें। पहला जो है ना टेक ऑनलाइन सर्वाइव डैट पे कैश। और सेकंड जो है ना बिकम अ वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट। वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट जो होता है ना वो होता है ये कि जो है ना लाइक अमेज़ोन के रिलेटेड कह दो तो वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट वो होता है जो एक सेलर की जो है ना पोस्ट संभालता है, उसका स्टोर वगैरह संभालता है। वॉचिंग वीडियोस विद स्वैग बैंक $5 साइन अप बोनस। Become a social media manager. Fifth pay and the fifth one take polls and battles with Donald. And sixth one become a transcriptionist. And seventh one download money earning apps. And ninth one teach English online. And 10th has start a vlog. And 11th take part in online focus group with respondent. And 12 write articles for blogs and websites. And 13 sell digital downloads on Etsy. And 14 sell picture of your fit. 11th ways to earn extra money offline. 15 register for market research focus groups. 16 get your RSA and find casual bar group work. 7 deliver packages with Amazon Flex. 18 data entry. 19 work retail in the weekends. 10th rent out your car. 21 rent out your spare room on Airbnb. 22 rent out your parking space. 23 share your storage space. 24 match betting. 25 start a crafty side hustle related guidance. And these are the 25 ways to how you can earn in Australia. I hope you like these 25 ways, and now we are telling about more 45 ways हैं ये। and 14 way to make money online Australia world. If you are wondering how to make money online, Australia offers a lot of income online opportunities. One, take online survey that pay cash. There are loads of good survived sites in Australia, but if you want to earn cash, there are three you should consider joining right away. Pure Profile, Octopus Group, and Opinion World. All three of these assist survive sites pay cash via PayPal or bank transfer, and their survives are regular. Some pay a token amount for when you screen out, don't qualify, which is a nice touch. uh, Here is the some links how you can earn. And You can see your topic pick of Australian paid service site. Go here for money earning apps. Become a virtual assistant. Working from home as virtual assistant is a great side hustle of administrator, personal assistant, and execute assistant. You can make a lot of money from home working as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is called or VA in short form. All you need in your existing skill base, a computer and an internet connection. Actually worked in this manner after my son was born, and the gig continued after we left. I was in Australia and spending Mexican, which gave a taste of geographic arbitrage. When you earn a strong currency and when spend a weaker one more. If you're interested in income VA, check out this monster guide and getting started a VA. See, here is some pictures. You can see they are describing uh, about Amazon, because mostly VA is available in Amazon. Swagback is an online survive site that offer way more than just survive. You can earn points by watching videos and switching your search engine to their search. There are a lot of other way to earn on Swagbanks, including referring friends, talking survives, and even shopping via their cashback offers. Such like a virtual assistant, a social media manager often work remotely and manage the social media profiles of client. If you have been wondering how to make money from home, Australian and overseas companies are available, always looking for reliable staff who know how to rock social media. If you are if you are obsessed when Insta or now you away around the Facebook advertising dashboard, there is the money to make this Udmate course is a great place to start. 5 take pose and battles with Tolna. Tolna offer a fun way to earn some extra cash of Australian. You can talk pose and battle when other member their platform. One thing to note the with Tolana is that there can be a delay in getting your points added to your account. There is because don't create credit the points you earn off for the paid survive until after the survive has closed. I have never had a problem with them being added, but it does take it. Become a transcription scribing audio clip for businesses. It is another great side hustle of Australian. You can do this task anywhere you have an internet connection. Get paid weekly in dollars, USD dollars, and work as much as little you like. You will never to be comfortable typing quickly and using American English. Organizing not organized, not colored not colored, etc. and has space to work. But if you can do that, transcription be home business. A transcription, you will turn audio file into typed documents using a free online editor developed by C. You can earn between 0.36 USD and 0.45 USD per audio minute of transcription. You can pick and choose job the invest interest you you. Payment is made weekly via PayPal. The application progress included some rigorous testing, but the company has created views, so this one extra income option definitely worth checking out. Here is the some more point how you can earn in Australia. Start a vlog. Vlog is a I start my first title vlog in workshop in 2011. It was free site on wordpress.com and it was not one bit goal. If you are instruct if you are interested in learning more about blogs, these are the courses that look me from amateur to earn a full-time income from by vlogs. Take part in online focus group with respondent respondent. You can see here is some paragraph. You can read it and they are explain about how you can earn. Write article from blogs and website. You can read it. Here is some little paragraph about how you can earn with articles. Sell digital downloads. You can earn with your downloading photographs. And here is some register market, and here is some more ways how you can earn in Australia. Here is data entry. Data entry is good work. You can do it. This is not a difficult work. Everyone can easily do this work because they are not difficult. How you can enter data. Mostly students work in data entry, and you can see rent out your car. If you have more than one car and you are not using these car, they are free, and you can rent out your car, and you can earn a lot of money per day. And if you have more than rooms available, like you we have like 5% and we have 8 rooms, and there means 3 rooms are available in extra, so we will rent out it and earn money. If you have parking space more than, many people not don't have parking space, you can rent out and earn some money. If you have storage space, many people don't have storage like garage, like storeroom. If you have storeroom and uh, your storeroom are available for them, you can sell it, rent out it, and earn a lot of money. Start a crafty side hustle. If you want to work online, you can write your email and subscribe them. uh, Thank you for watching my videos.